Hey there, Wicked Rasta here with another one of my most favorite things to eat. This is a curry chicken roti. All right, it's curry chicken, potato, gravy. They've got carrots in there, wrapped up in a nice, lovely dough, and it is awesome. I'm gonna take a couple of bites, let you know how good this is. It's gonna be a mess. Beware. Okay, and up, and up. Here we go. Curry chicken roti for breakfast. Well, not for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. It's well, hell. This is the first meal of the day. It is breakfast. Whenever you get a chance to eat chicken roti, do it, because it is awesome. Wicked Rasta!